Sex crimes against kids. Tonight, there is a new effort to go back and charge suspects no matter when the crimes happen.
A law removed the statute of limitations after 2001, but after seeing one of our stories, a Muskegon lawmaker wants even more done. 24 News 8's Tom Hillen is here with why.
Well, Brian and Marley, we told you last fall about Randall Doctor, a church leader accused of sexually assaulting young boys in the 80s. Right now, he can't be charged with the alleged crimes because of when they happened. It's that story that has Representative Holly Hughes fighting for change.
And he would take us and ride in a semi, and he had a four-wheel drive truck, and he would give us marijuana, speed, and alcohol.
Brad White says he met Randall Doctor in the 80s when he was a cadet at Fifth Reformed Church in Muskegon. Doctor was his leader. White says Doctor would take him in his truck and sexually assault him. Muskegon County prosecutors say they have had at least 5 victims come forward with similar accusations against Doctor. But they can't charge him because the alleged sexual abuse happened so long ago.
Right now, if something is committed after 2001, if it involves a child, then they can be prosecuted. If it's before 2001, they cannot.
24-hour News 8's Tom Hillen's talking to one of the man's alleged victims.
Representative Holly Hughes saw our story and decided the law needed to change.
We want to protect people that were hurt in the past as children. We do not want these predators who have committed crimes before 2001 to be able to keep committing crimes just because they haven't gotten caught now.
Her bill, just introduced this week, would make the 2001 law retroactive, so charges could be filed against anyone who sexually assaulted a child, no matter when the crime happened.
We know that there are sexual predators out there who have caused pain to a great deal of many of people, and we want to protect our children, and we don't care when it happened. Whatever they've done is not acceptable, and we want to make sure that nobody else gets hurt.
Prosecutors tell me Randall Doctor's case is still an open and ongoing investigation, that they are still actively looking for anyone who says they are a victim of Doctor's after 2001 so that they can hopefully then bring charges.
Yeah, victims obviously in the past, they would like some recourse, especially if it did happen so far back in the past.
Absolutely. Recourse that right now they don't have the option of because of this. So, Representative Holly Hughes really is pushing to put this through. And, it's important to note that we are very early on in this investigation, or on in this bill situation as well. It has been introduced in the House. It's gone on to the Committee for Criminal Justice, and then it's got to go through the Senate. So,
right. Quite a few more
road,
steps to go.
But it's a start.
We'll track it.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Tom Hillen.